girl. That's your booty.
Okay, so now I'm irritated. Now I'm mad, and I don't even want to record this. So. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button. We just finished shopping. Last video I was talking about the cranberry juice. You see how much that is? It's the same price at Safeway for like less than one of these.
We're doing lemonade or no?
For the same price. So you see why I get it from Costco now? Because I get 2 of these bad boys for $10, almost. Great. We finally got a good one. Usually they're a lot bigger, but some cucumber, bell pepper. Okay, looking for a good bag of apples. Let's get some avocado. Some French green beans. Because I put the other cucumbers back for these, the mini ones. Got a broccoli in here, so I picked up some Brussels sprouts. Got a broccoli in here, so I picked up some Brussels sprouts. Why? They do have broccoli. These peppers are like moldy. Okay, I guess these are alright looking. No, it may not. My family likes watermelon. Everybody except for me. I hate it. But we still have meat from last week. So my goal was to spend no more than $100. I definitely went over that. Got the wheat bread. Okay, we're done. We need to get out of here. I try to stay out of the aisles and stay in the produce section pretty much. You know, like besides a few things, like I got the cranberry juice, some bread, some yogurt. Yep.
$132.96.
That wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be, but it still wasn't good. I got more boxes. Got a bad one, y'all. Look. Damn. Everybody else you fuck with. It's finally, I'm walking backwards so I can get the sunlight, but it's finally fall and I'm loving this, man. It looks so nice outside. Okay. Still taking my hair down while I'm at work. Almost done, and it looks crazy, but that's because I gotta fix it. I broke this on my sandwich. They never do this. It's so nice. I feel so special. I'm excited. Just take $100. $100 to fill up my tank. Gas prices have been so fucked off for so long. We're back to $50 filling up my tank. Good morning, everyone. Today's Monday. I don't know what was going on with me last night. I think it's because I went to bed too early. So when I went to bed too early, I woke up at like midnight and didn't go back to sleep till like 3. Forgot to wrap my hair up last night. I'm currently going into the bookstore. I've never told you guys that I joined a book club. This month's read is Fourth Wing, I think it was called. Yeah. Let's go find it. Here's the book I'm reading. I'm gonna get the gold one though because I like gold, but they're the same. It's just I have kids. I want him to start reading, so if I'm reading in front of him, it'll probably help him read.
Damn, that's why they're going on like, man, y'all they get. That's right.
Good morning, guys. So today is Tuesday. I know I am not the only one that cannot get things done if your environment is like, if things aren't in place. Like, all that my hogs, all that my bed. I'm in. What it look like. One section down, 3 to go, and I'm about to roll the blunt. Good morning, guys. Today is what, Wednesday, I think. and I am having a horrible start to my day. Come outside looking like this. I didn't get to finish my hair. That's okay, so we're done. And I just remembered I'm standing in line, so I can't be loud. But I just remembered I don't have pads, so I need to run into Costco before I start working and get some pads. I don't know which one it is. This one got more. I think I'm gonna do this one, but I like this one because this is for the night, huh? The trees, they're so pretty. Oh, look at that set. Because they have zero arugula. This is the one that we went with. He's out here playing live music back there. I don't know if you guys can hear him. He has his violin out. So I know I said I was done Christmas shopping, and I still bought a gift. This is the item here. You guys know the little like cubby area in the RV that was square with the books and stuff in there? That's where we're gonna put the birds. One thing, and I accomplished. So. Good morning, everybody. Today is Thursday, and I'm breaking out. I'm on my period, and I'm sick today. Just great, just wonderful. Good morning, guys. Today is Friday. I'm sorry, the last 2 days I have been feeling very horrible. I have not been feeling good, so I don't even think I've recorded much. But today's a new day. You guys, it's raining right now, and I'm fucking scared. My tires. My front tires are not good. The second, fucking people in California don't know how to drive when it rains. California, it don't rain like that. So when it does, it's like people don't know what the fuck they're doing even more than they did before. Hi guys, today's Sunday, and I think the last day that I recorded was Saturday. I forgot to record everything that we did. We went to the mailbox that I spoke about a few videos ago so that I can get my card and a few other things, and then we went to get tires that day. I forgot to record that entire process. It was pretty much raining anyways, then much to see, but kind of sad I didn't record it. But anyways, we're closing out this video. I will see you next video. Today we moved, but you won't see that until next video. So I will see you in the next episode.